Oh god, you can't get through, can you? You can do it, man. Right. We're gonna have to make a hole. Right. Take the armored car, and we'll make a hole in the fence. Bang. Right. Again. Yeah. Ah, good. Isn't this the car Tina Turner drove in Beyond Thunderdome? Ah. David Cook? Didn't I kill you? Oh no, I killed Chris Cook. Ah, sorry about your brother. I don't know what happened to him. I think, yes, now we have him as a fighter. But the problem is he's as brain dead as every other AI in this game. So we probably won't get much use out of him. Okay, items. Let's try destroying a building. I think this is the point in the game where it really ranks up. We'll leave David Cook here. I don't really want to take him on this. Right, we'll take the Abrams. Because, as I recall, this is where the difficulty ramps up and they start throwing tanks at you, and you just don't have enough firepower to take them all out on foot. So we're going to have to start using tanks. We'll try using one of the helicopter gunships in a later mission and see if that... Yeah, we got to blow up that building. Okay. Yeah, see, 2 tanks. Range it. Yeah, they've got 2 Abrams here. Ah, got him. I think I got him anyway. Oh god, the trees are doing more damage. Ah, good, he's on fire now. Oh, 10 degrees. Yeah, like these take 2 bloody tank shells to take out. Ah, hell. Right. Let's go down there and see if we can take out. Yeah, we'll start chopping it down. Oh, that wasn't even the building I was supposed to blow it up. Sorry, Mrs. Weatherby. I'll pay for that. Yeah, get rid of mow the infantry. If we can actually hit him. Right, that's on fire. Okay, well, we're supposed to be blowing up this building, so in this game, so I don't know if that's like blowing out. We're halfway there. Good. Another successful mission. Head back to base. Avoid taking out another one. Right. We made it.
Zoldner.
Okay. Back to base. This is the way. Okay, well, we'll change out our guns. Okay. We'll keep the rocket launcher, though. We'll take another helicopter, since it's like... Okay, we've actually got homing missiles in this. Oh god, these homing missiles. I remember this. These make such an annoying sound when they lock on. It's such a pain. We're going to pull back on this. Ah, here we go. See, like, they've got like 4 tanks there guarding an office. Sit here for a mo. Like, you can't just hover with this. It's always like a little off. Okay. Oh, Jesus! Someone's shooting missiles at me. Like, it's so difficult to hover and actually get maintain a stable altitude with this. Also, you don't get to choose what you lock onto. See, they're not shooting back, which suggests that they don't actually have any gunners in them. They just got drivers spawning. Ah, you missed. You missed again. I should probably be worried about those. Oh! Yes, I should have been worried about them.
Zoldner.
Right. Yeah, we lost all our guns now. Oh. Okay. Okay, we'll try that one again, but we won't mess about this time. We'll go. Okay, this time we'll take a tank, because let's take one of those, because it's got a nice turn of speed and a few rockets, so we should be able to just drive up there quite quickly and knock out a couple of the tanks. Yeah, look, it's got 18 guided missiles and I think like 24 unguided, so this should be enough firepower to take out all those tanks. Should have brought a helicopter, but they're a pain in the arse to fly. Right, we're almost there. Oh god, more lock on. Yeah, that did not hit. Right, let's stop here for a second. Yeah, that is not hitting, game. Alright, okay, let's try and get a little closer. It's going nuts. Okay, let's try some dumbfire missiles. Oh, Christ. You've got a gun! Back it up. Ah, there we go. Right. Damn, I missed it. You are fighting the controls pretty much almost as much as you're fighting the enemy. Like, the enemy's brain dead and rubbish, but the controls are so janky you can barely hit them. Okay. Drive-by rocketing. Hey, that worked well. Oh, I hope the hostage wasn't in there. Oh, Christ. Now they're shooting missiles. Run away, run away. Oh. Get in cover. Right. Okay. We're safe for 5 seconds. Oh, God. There's still a truck out there. But it's okay, I've got a rocket launcher. Oh, God. And another flipping tank. How many of those have I blown up already? Oh, God, he's already on fire. Well, bugger, I don't have to do anything. I just have to sit in here for 5 minutes. They'll just bloody destroy themselves. Okay, let's take out this truck. Right, I think that's all the cars. There is still a few people running around. Where has he come? Oh, they see me. Okay, this gun's pretty nice. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be rescuing a hostage. I hope he's still alive. Oh yeah, he's still alive. Oh no. Civilian area is miles away and I've got no... Uh-oh. Saw ya. According to this, there's a enemy here, but I can't see him. Bomb! Let's see. There should be some sort of car down there. So if I just go over there, I should be able to buy a car and just get out of here. Okay. Right, that's it. Bomb! Okay. Yeah, so if I go through these woods, get to this base here, I should be able to buy a car, and we should be able to get this guy out of it. Riveting gameplay here. I mean, the mark of a good streamer is to make gameplay like this interesting. Too bad I'm not a good streamer. Almost there. Oh, good. He's still bringing up the rear. Am I still, like, running in the right direction? Oh, God, I'm not running in the right direction. Okay. I think I'm going in the right direction. Don't know. I'm lost. How do I know if I'm going in the right direction? If only I had a compass at the top of the freaking screen. Bomb. Okay. Yeah, we are going in the right direction. Should be through these woods. Okay, that should be the base. And we should be able to pick up a car. Should I take a helicopter back? I'll take a helicopter back. It's gonna be a bit faster. God knows we need it after this bloody jaunt. Okay, I am going to risk the dodgy helicopter physics. Just so I can wrap up this bloody mission. At this point, I'm fearing the bloody helicopter more than the enemy. But before we do, we'll get some more body armor, and we will. Oh, well, we'll know in a second. Hey, okay, I'm fully healed now. Okay. Behind you. Okay, we'll take the hit. Where is my hostage? I've lost the hostage. Okay. Hold on. Base camp. Yeah, I have completely lost the hostage. Hopefully, hopefully he'll catch up and he hasn't like on some geometry or some bollocks. Oh, here he comes. Hey, he made it. Come on, man. I'm gonna take you home. Assuming the helicopter doesn't explode on impact. Right, here we go. So far, so good. I think in future missions, if I do them on foot, I might have to take helicopters just to run around. Just because they're just so much faster than driving. Okay. We've got to drop him off in... Is that just a bloody steel plant? Are we taking this guy to work? Oh yeah, I know I was a hostage, but my boss wants me to come in for the day. Are we landing on a thicket of trees? I think we're landing. Ah, nice snowy air. Gently. Oh, and we're down. Okay, we're few. We are just dropping him off at work. Oh yeah, my boss says I still have to come in. I know I was a hostage and everything. But... Come on, man. We just drop him off at the bloody local sawmill. Unless this is where he lives, that's going to be depressing. Yeah, okay, right. No! No, in here! Oh, where's he going now? In here, you tit! Yes, go on! Fucking hell. I'm never going to finish this mission at this rate. Right. Come on. We have to deliver you to your job. I know you don't want to go. I know you seem to be the only person here. Okay. Right, he's through the door. He's through the door. Ah, good. Oh, get out of here. No, stay there, you tit. You're not getting in my helicopter. God, this guy is more dangerous to me than the bloody enemy has been. Okay, quick, take off, leave him here, Quick, take off, quick. Oh, I hope that mission's still complete. I hope that hasn't buggered us all. Well, if it has, I'm not doing it again. Piss off. Right, we're down. Yeah, see what I mean about the helicopters? They're just so flimsy. The gentlest touch just completely destroys them. Oh, dear. Right. Oh, well, you can just abort mission. I'm not going back to do that again. Right. Let's try another one. I think we've done that before. Destroy vehicle. Okay. That might be a little easier. We just need to fly over something and blow it up. Okay. We'll change our rifle. Where were we? We were here.